Okay guys, check it out. Yesterday I had the opportunity to visit a house, an abandoned house, well, nearly abandoned anyway. I spoke to the owner and I had the opportunity to screw off some locks from some doors, and there are about 20, I think 20 ASSA door locks. Oh, this is a TrioVing. I think most are ASSA, and ASSA. Anyway, about 20 door cylinders for free. Yay! So I got some lock picking to do because there are no keys for these. These are quite old, but around 30-40 years perhaps. I don't know, I have no idea. This place I visited has been abandoned for over 30 years, so I bet these locks had not seen maintenance for quite a while, so I think I have some business to take care of here. So anyway, keep you updated. Thanks.